Hey, Boosie said he was the only celebrity that came to his movie premiere for the WaterBoyz. Y'all go see that? Y'all check that out? Did y'all buy it? Did y'all watch it for free? All that. That's what he want to know. Like, he want to know, like, where the support at. Again, once again. But Boosie, you got to understand, this will come with it. You know, you keep it real. You always speak what's on your mind. You don't second guess shit. You don't never say sorry. You stand on what you say. So that come with it. You ain't gonna get the support. You understand? So I don't know why you keep saying that. Like, ain't nobody coming up with you because you run your mouth. Why would top rap artists, top comedians, top R&B singers, top Instagram models, top OnlyFans models, girls, why would they come to your movie premiere to support you when they follow the rules and you don't? Yeah, they doing what Master say and you not. They can't show you no love like that. They can't turn you up like that. And when they keeping their mouth shut and you just keeping it real, nah, that ain't fair to them. You know what I'm saying? So now you don't get the pros of that. Only we support you. So if the fans, your supporters, if that's not enough, then I don't know what to tell you. You ain't getting no more support than that. I don't care how many times the rapper done told you behind the scenes on that phone that you real, they respect everything that you say, they agree with it. That's fake talk. Yeah, that's fake talk. Yeah, they can say that behind the scenes. So if you ain't recording no conversations, you can put that out. Yeah, that don't matter. Yeah, that's just that's just politicking, that fake politicking, that Hollywood. That's Hollywood conversations. And they real street niggas. You respected them at first. But when it's time to support your album or repost it, they ain't doing none of that because of shit that you say on Vlad. So really, like, Vlad more of a friend than these rappers. He putting you on a big platform. They ain't gonna just call you on the Breakfast Club 2 or 3 times out the year. Hell no. Or another big platform as big as Vlad. They ain't gonna do that duh. And you can promote your product or what you got coming out. Or if you got something to say to Mark Zuckerberg, they'll hit that there on his platform. You understand that? So, yeah, and he ain't gonna show up to your movie premiere because he busy. Not because he don't want to. You understand? But he may not because it's politics. But who's to say that he under their oath or under their umbrella? He could be, but he more of a friend than these niggas lying to you on the phone. At least he got, even if he is lying, he got a better excuse why he didn't show. But he still bring you on his show, and he pay you, good. So, you know, that's the way it goes. If you want to be real, you want to be that real nigga, you want the respect, you want everybody to call you a gangster, you want to die with your respect, your honor, your morals, and all that the gangster shit and all that you bringing the street vibes into the music industry. That's a big cost. That costs a lot of money to keep it that way, to keep it G. You don't get no support for keeping it G. You ain't sat on nobody laps. You ain't wore no dresses. You ain't did no real sacrifices. You ain't did no rituals or none of that stuff. You ain't no cannibal. You don't do none of that stuff. You ain't did no spiritual cooking. You ain't did no homosexual shit. So nah, you don't get no support for no Jay-Z or no not even that. The Futures, the Yo Gotti, not no more. On they come up, yeah. On they come up, but not no more. So let you catch a real big. They may say free Boosie, you know, because now they can really show like the fake love, but you ain't really, nah. So once you start, you know, speaking how you speak, that shit went away. All your friends that you had in the beginning, they gone. I'm talking about the music industry friends. They gone. They see you though. They laugh at you though. Yeah. So they make fake accounts or they probably follow you. But they probably got fake accounts, or when they see it on somebody else's page, they laugh at you and all that stuff. But, you know, they ain't trying to get no money with you. They ain't trying to kick it with you. Only like Master P with the chips, and you complain about that, about your haircut and shit. So, yeah. And you know you can't start your own Instagram because ain't nobody going to come over there. It ain't going to be worth starting it up. You know you ain't going to get all the people that's on Instagram or TikTok or all these platforms. They ain't coming over there. Hey Boosie, you know with us, it got to get popping first. Then we'll come over there. So it don't matter when you start it up. Ain't nobody over there. We ain't coming over there. We like black people. We like turning shit up that's already popping. Yeah, we don't like starting our own shit. You understand that? Yeah, we gotta wait till the white man or the China man or the Mexican man or the Asian man turn it up first, and then we come over there and turn it up, help turn it up even more. Not your shit though. You understand that? And yeah. You got the streets, so keep it street. You ain't got the industry, so don't be complaining. You want to keep it gangster. Ain't no gangsters in the industry. That's a different bag. You can't reach that bag. You got to stay the bag that you get. That's what you get. Yeah. So you got to do what you do. You got our support. So that's all you get. You get to go in all the hoods. You get to go in all the blocks and get love. That's what you get to do. Yeah, that's it. And that's what you wanted. So all that complaining, the Freemasons, Mark Zuckerberg, the 12 families. Yeah, the 12 families who run the world, Ebro and all that who control a lot of artists, who got a lot of power with Apple and all that They don't want to hear none of that shit that you talking, you're whining. They don't want to hear that because you chose to keep it street. You understand that? So stay street. Stay street. So that's what it is. If Lil Duval was walking, he went in the wheelchair, he would have been there. He would have been there. But he got into his situation and he recovering. He would have showed you some love, but that's it. So even the people that you put in your last movie about yourself, your life, they wasn't there. Hell, they ain't show. Yeah, they ain't about to check. They ain't showing. Yeah, just donkey. That's it. Just donkey. That's all. So understand that. And Lil Duval, if he was walking. So you made your bed, you lay in it. That's what it is. Gone.